Children, how are you all? Welcome to our today's class. But let's see what is our today's thought. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination by Albert Einstein. So let's throw ourselves into the knowledge of meridians or longitudes. Do you remember the last lesson, children? How for the equator we have considered the value of equator as 0 degree, and how at an interval of 1 degree each we have drawn some angles 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. So in the northern hemisphere, how many parallels we have drawn? 90. And in the southern hemisphere, how many parallels we have drawn? Same, 90, which makes a total of 180 plus this one great circle, that is equator. So together we can actually draw 181 parallels on the globe. But what about these meridians or longitudes? See, the way we have drawn equator here, we have also drawn prime meridian here. And what is the other name for this prime meridian? It is the 0 degree meridian. So just like equator, we have also divided these angles like 10, 20, 30, 40 like that, isn't it? So actually how many meridians we can draw on the globe? Well, because of this prime meridian, you can see here we can have actually two hemispheres, that is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So we can actually draw 179 meridians in the western hemisphere and 179 meridians in the eastern hemisphere. Yes. As we have seen in the last lesson, 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere, 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere, which makes a total of 180 plus this great circle equator, that makes a total of 181 parallels on the globe. Now on the globe, 179 meridians or longitudes in the western hemisphere and 179 meridians in the eastern hemisphere, which makes a total of 358 meridians plus 1 degree west and 1 degree east, which makes a total of 360 meridians. So actually we can draw 360 meridians on the globe. Now which points we should remember in today's lesson? We can draw 181 parallels on the globe. 90 in the north, 90 in the south, which makes a total of 180 plus 1 equator, that makes a total of 181 parallels. And similarly we can draw 360 meridians or longitudes on the globe. 179 in the east and 179 in the west. That makes a total of 358 plus 1 degree east plus 1 degree west, which makes a total of 360 meridians on the globe. So what is today's homework? You have to write down all the points written under the heading points to remember in your notebook for 3 times. That's all for today's short lesson again, children. We will soon meet in the next lesson. Till then, bye.